In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix mouse disappearing or blinking in your Google Chrome browser. So if you can't find your mouse when you hover over Google Chrome browser, then it is quite easy to fix this problem. Now to get started, go to these three dots here and then tap on settings. Now from here, search for acceleration using this search bar. Just type in acceleration like that. Now you'll see this option called use graphics acceleration when enabled. Now go ahead and toggle this off. Then go ahead and tap on relaunch your browser. And this will go ahead and relaunch your Google Chrome browser. So this has been relaunched, and now you can see the cursor is blinking up on top here. And now you shouldn't have any problem with your mouse cursor disappearing. So that's how you fix disappearing mouse cursor on your Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.